I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a trigonometric expression to simplify. The question here is, write the following as a single trigonometric ratio. State restrictions, if any. Cos x divided by 1 plus cos square x minus sin square x. What we can do here is that we can write the expression in terms of cosine x. Numerator we have cos x, and the denominator we have 1 plus cos square x. We can write sin square x 1 minus sin square x as cos square x, correct? Or we could write sin square x as 1 minus cos square x. So let's write this as 1 minus cos square x, correct? We use the Pythagorean identity that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So sin square x is written as 1 minus cos square x. So that's what we did at the first step. Now 1 plus cos square x minus 1 minus cos square x. So 1 minus 1 is 0. Cos square x minus and minus becomes plus. So we get this as cos x divided by, if I open the bracket, I get cos square x plus cos square x, correct? 1 minus 1 is 0. Now that could be written as cos x times 2 cos square x. Now cos x and cos x cancel out, so we get 1 over 2 cos x. This could be written as half secant x. So that is how we can simplify our expression, right? Now here the restrictions are that the denominator is cos x. So cos x cannot be 0, right? So we can write down the restrictions now. So let's write down the restrictions. Restrictions are that the denominator cannot be 0. So we can write restriction as cos x should not be equal to 0. Now when is cos x 0? So look into the graph of cosine x. That will give you a clear idea. So that is the graph, and cosine x is 0 for pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. That is in the domain of 0 to 2 pi. So in general, we have x is not equal to odd multiples of pi by 2. So we can write this as 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to integers. So that becomes the restriction for our question, correct? So the restrictions are that x can be any real number except these, right? So where the cosine x is 0, right? So that becomes the restriction for us. I hope that helps. Thank you.